Okay, what are we making today? Who knows?
Little pies.
Yeah, pies that are sweet?
Yes.
No, they're called savory.
Savory.
Savory, yeah. So what is this?
Meat.
Ground
Beef.
beef. Where does beef come from?
Cows.
Yep. Cow, huh? So this is 1.5 pounds of ground beef.
I'll use these, okay?
Okay, when it's time. And we're just gonna get this browning in this skillet. Okay, now this is almost all the way brown, so we're gonna add some onions. Good job.
Can I do these?
Yep, and then Aspen's adding spices. We have salt and pepper.
Can I sprinkle them in?
Just a whole thing.
Okay.
Salt, pepper, thyme, oregano, and paprika. Good job. Nice work.
Now can we go back?
Now we're just gonna stir this until the onions are soft and translucent. All right, we have apparently cheese to snack on. Our filling is done, and this is our pie crust. This is a homemade pie crust, but if you just need to buy one from the store, that's totally fine. Makes it super easy.
I'll roll it.
Let me help you get it started.
Yeah.
Okay. To keep your pie crust nice and flaky, you're gonna want to keep it really, really cold. So this has been in the fridge, so it's a little bit hard to roll out, but that's what we want. So we have our dough rolled out, and this filling is enough for 2 pie crusts worth. So about 12 hand pies. So what we're gonna do, can you push that on there? We're gonna cut out some circles. Good job.
Hey, we made Mickey.
So now we're cutting out our circles for hand pies. I don't have a cutter that's big enough, so I'm just using a small bowl. Aspen went ahead and stamped a pattern for me, and then I'm just cutting out the circles, and then we'll be ready to fill them. Okay, so we have our pie crust ready, our filling ready, cheese ready. So now we're gonna fill them up. So we'll do a couple spoons of meat.
How many?
Maybe a couple, just like that. Perfect. Okay, and then we do some sprinkles of cheese. Good job. So once we have all our fillings in here, we're gonna tuck them all in. We'll push the sides together, and then we have a fork, and we're just gonna crimp the sides. So you'll just lightly brush the egg wash all over your hand pies, and then we'll bake them in the oven, 400 degrees, until they're nice and golden brown on top. Okay, we pulled them out of the oven. They're cooled off. What do you think? Look,
Yummy.
they look really good. You see all the layers? Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Look, are they cheesy? They're cheesy. Want to try some? What do you think?